Hello ladies and gentlemen, good evening, good morning, whenever you're watching this video. I'm your gracious and humble host, Randy with Mickey Explorer, encouraging you to get out there, get in nature, and enjoy all of its beauty it has to offer. I'm out here at Bocce Trails in Vincennes, Indiana, just sitting out here enjoying nature. That's a trail down there. I find nature absolutely peaceful. A way to unwind, a way to relax, a way to enjoy life, other than the hustle and bustle of working all the time. Just to be out here, find a little peace and tranquility. It's a hard word to say. Just enjoy it. Hope you all enjoy this little short video. I'll be sitting out there most of the day. Gotta go to work at 2 o'clock, so it won't be most of the day, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. I'm just gonna sit out here for a while. Go ahead and sign off, and you all have a great day, and God bless.